welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make cucumber salad. This cucumber salad is very easy to make. Smash, cut, mix and done. Let's get started. These are what you need. 2 cucumbers, either Japanese or English or Belgian cucumbers. 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, half a teaspoon salt, little bit of garlic paste and 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. Cut both ends of the cucumbers. And using rolling bin or empty bottle like this, smash the cucumbers. Then cut it into bite size. Let's put the cucumber into the Ziploc container. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. And mix it to coat the cucumbers with sesame oil. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Half a teaspoon salt. Garlic paste. Sesame seeds and give it a quick mix. Put the lid on and let it sit for half an hour in the fridge. Left in the fridge for half an hour, so let's serve it. And cucumber salad is ready to go. Very easy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!